Hey everybody, Thelindabradley from Princess House here. I have a new layaway for you. This one is a little bit of everything. When I make up my layaways, I really try to think about what my customers would like, and I kind of like this one a lot. So if you have any springtime weddings that you're invited to, or if you know somebody who just moved out to a new house and doesn't have anything, this is really an awesome layaway to take advantage of because it's got a little bit of everything. So here you go. This is the whole set. So I included some of the most popular items that you would need in your kitchen. The first one is one of our non-stick pieces. This is part of their stainless steel collection. The non-stick doesn't have any of the dangerous chemicals in it, and it has a lifetime warranty. All of our stainless steel does. This is the 10-inch skillet, and so this is great for your breakfast, your lunch, or your dinners. That's piece number one in this set. The next piece is going to be this is a 3-quart, and it's also non-stick. You can see that it has the little pour spouts on the side, and in the lid it has the strainers. So this is good for like macaroni and cheese or mashed potatoes, and you can strain it right into the sink, and you don't even need a colander. So those are two good pieces that you can use every day. Then we have one that's a little bit bigger. So this is 7.5 quarts. It's like a stock pot. Same thing, it's non-stick. It has the little pour spout and then the same type of strainer. So these are 3 great pieces that you'll be able to use for your everyday meals because it gives you exactly what you need. And then one of the most popular items that we have, this one's not always available. It's a special right now. This one, if you can see how big it is 8 3/4 quarts. So usually when you think of an 8-quart pot, it's a stock pot. It's really nice and high. Like that one over here I was telling you is 7.5 quarts. This is 1/2 a quart bigger, but because it's wide, it's just a whole different shape. So this is an awesome piece that you can use for like your big dishes, right? Whether you make like chicken and rice casserole or shrimp dishes, anything that's big like that, because what's nice about it being wide is it makes it so easy to stir. And like I said, this one is not normally in the catalog. Another great thing that you can do with that piece being nice and wide, it's good for a seafood boil and also for boiling your regular spaghetti. So you don't have to crack it in half. You can boil the spaghetti in there or lasagna. It's excellent for that. All right, so that's all the stainless steel cookware that's going to come. And then I thought to myself, okay, what else are you going to need to have a complete kitchen? And so these are the other items that are going to be in this little set. The first one is the cutting boards. These are the cutting boards for both the meat and the fish, and they have, you'll see the different colors. So the blue is for your meats and the green is for your vegetables and your fruits. And then they come with 3 knives. These you're gonna see are a little dark, and that's because they are non-stick. So when you cut things like tomatoes and cheese that are sticky, they will not attach to the sides. You can see that the handles, they're really nice. They're foam and they're very lightweight. So if you have any issues with your hands, arthritis, these are the ones that you want. So you're going to get the 3 knives. That one was the blue one, so it was the one for your meats. This one is the green Santoku, good for your fruits and your vegetables. And then the third one is a serrated blade, so it's good for cutting bread. And then of course, sandwiches and cheese as well. All right, what's next? Another item in this layaway is going to be a brand new item that we have, and this is our Rotary, it's a Rotary Grater. We're so excited about this. It hasn't come in yet, it's coming very soon. And it has 3 different blades that are stainless steel. It has a fine blade, a coarse blade, and then a slicer. So if you guys make a lot of salads, this is going to be like a salad shooter, and you're going to be able to make your salads with ease. It's amazing. I have a really cool little video that I can show this. This is going to come out in our new catalog, but it's going to be over $100. So take advantage of it while you can grab it on special. In addition to this set, so we have some cooking things, we have some prep things. Now I have some bakeware for you as well. So this is the Marbella Bakeware. If you can see, let me see, there you go. You can see the pattern on it, and then here's your lid. So it has a plastic lid, which is really nice. I love things with plastic lids because I can make my foods up ahead of time, put them in the refrigerator, and then take them out and cook them. Or when you have leftovers, it's also easy to be able to do to put them back in the refrigerator. So this is an 8x8 square baker. That's going to be good for a lot of different baking needs. And then here's the big one. All right, same thing. It's got that beautiful Marbella pattern. And so this is the 9x13. So you're going to get both of those items as well. It's a lot, right? It's a good set. And then the number one new item that the company brought out, and this is called the Princess House Pantry. Have you seen these pieces yet? They're really cool. So they're made out of BPA-free plastic. You're going to see that down the sides there are measurements, and then there's different sizes. Here's the Princess House embossed in the top. This one is like for your cereal. It has the little indentation to hold it. It has a really nice large pouring section, and this one is 4 quarts, so it's nice and big for your large cereals. The next one that we have is 3 quarts, and this one is really good for like your flour and sugar. And again, you're going to see the measurements down the side. This one's kind of cool. They're all airtight, by the way, because this one has a half a cup scoop, and it has the level. So when you go to scoop out your flour, you can get it perfectly level. All right, so that's that size. The next size is a 2 quart, and again, measurements up the side. This one has this type of an opening. I use this one for rice, oatmeal, chocolate chips, brown sugar. And then the last one is a 1 quart, has the measurements up the side, and this one's really good for coffee because in the lid it has a built-in tablespoon so you can scoop out your coffee. So this whole set is what I made a layaway with, right? Do you like it? So it's a little bit of everything. So we have 4 different pieces of stainless steel, a 7.5 quart, a 10-inch skillet, a 3 quart, and then the 8 3/4 quarts casserole. We have the cutting boards and the knives, the 2 baking dishes, the Rotary Grater, and the set of the 4 pantry. So this is a really good item to start your kitchen. As I said, if somebody just getting married or somebody just moving out, or you know, it's funny, my kids are grown now, they just moved out, and I'm starting to get some really nice things because now you don't have to worry about kids breaking them anymore. So we deserve nice things as well. So this whole kit, if you were to buy it, would be well over $1,000, but I have it discounted down to $660 with 70 cents. And you can either pay it in full or use my layaway. And so how layaway works is you can start this for just $165, and then you can make 10 payments of just $49.50 each, and it's yours. We ship it anywhere in the United States. It ships once it's paid in full, and I can make adjustments. If you don't want everything here, if you're like, oh, I already have that pan, can I change it? Just let me know, and I'll be happy to change it with you, for you. Uh-oh, are we not backwards? Is this, can you see my name? I think I didn't switch my camera at the right mode, and now you can't see it. My email is thelindabradley@gmail.com, and I'm more than happy to answer any of your questions. I can also change the actual layaway payments too. If you don't want to make weekly payments, if you want to make monthly payments or every other week, we can do all of that. So just contact me, thelindabradley@gmail.com. I'm more than happy to help you, and I can also make packages just for you. If you give me a wish list, I will work my magic. All right, so this is a little bit of everything. I hope you enjoyed it. It's one of my favorites.